Look at that, guys. This is really. So now we're going to add pumpkin seeds, walnuts and almond, like so. So I'm going to roll. So guys, we are back. This is 10 minutes later. 10 minutes later. So this is salt, cinnamon powder, butter. I think I'm just going to pour in all the flour. Then I'm adding condensed milk. I will list the quantity of the ingredients in the description box. So I'm going to be adding water as well. So I'll be adding the water little by little so that it will not be. The cinnamon powder just changed the color. Oh, I think I used too much. I actually added 8 grams of cinnamon powder. Well, it's good. I think I'm going to continue with my hand. Yeah. So I'll cover 30 to 40 minutes. I'll be back, guys. So guys, we have walnuts, almond seed and pumpkin seed. So I'm just going to chop them into tiny pieces. I'm going to try to chop them into tiny pieces. Done, guys. So we are going to mash the avocado. So guys, here we are, 40 minutes later. So we are going to continue the next process. So I'm just going to try to roll it out, flatten it. So the next thing is to add our mashed avocado. So now we're going to add pumpkin seeds, walnuts and almond, like so. So I'm going to roll like so. So time to slice. So guys, I'm going to cover it for 10 minutes before we bake. I'll be back. Okay, here we are. This is a few minutes later. I'm just going to rub in, just make it. So we are going to bake. I'll be right back. So this is the liquid make the leftover. So I'm not going to throw it away. I'm just going to add in some honey. So I just want to add Greek yogurt to the honey and milk. I will mix this very, very well. See how it looks like condensed milk. Wow. It looks like condensed milk, eh? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Out from the oven. This is looking yummy, yummy. So, oh my God. It looks so yummy. So yummy, tantalizing. Look at that, guys. This is really, really yummy. Avocado. Oh my God. It's so fluffy. As you can see, it's very hot. This is really nice, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned and remain blessed. Please leave your comments, okay? Let me know what you think about this recipe. God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye.